Okay, so the time is around 4:10 and I'm late by 10 minutes, but that's okay. So right now the plan is that I will be heading towards Nice Road, and from Mysore Road there will be another friend who is gonna join me. और ये मैं नाइस रोड में ट्रक से पास लेते हुए बॉक्स लाइट ऑन करते हुए चलाए जा रहा हूँ टुवर्ड्स मैसूर रोड. Speed breakers, yes. But these Autofi lamps are extraordinary. If you are a biker and if you do long distance touring, then I would definitely recommend these two. Because right now what happened, there was one dead dog on the road. और अगर मैं ये दो लैम्प ऑन नहीं करता, then I would have hit that dead dog. But thanks to these lamps, I spot that dog, the body of that dead dog, pretty early, and I was able to take some action. So in such scenarios, these lamps are extraordinary. It gives you another level of confidence. सुबह हो चुका है और हम लोग इधर रुके थे चाय पीने के लिए. चाय बहुत मस्त था. What a beautiful sunrise, man. Our actual spot is around 30 kilometers away, and that side you can see beautiful, glorious sunrise that we have witnessed. Weather is pretty good, pretty awesome, pretty chill actually. और ये जो सराउंडिंग है ना, एक छोटा सा लेक है. This is awesome. Actually, when I came last time, I came from different route, I guess, because this is like inside a village and this area we missed. ये route लेने के बाद ना मुझे ऐसे अपने गांव का याद आ गया. So most of the people who lives in Bangalore, we all come from a village, right? And when you cross a village like this, you get that feeling, you get that connection, you get to feel your root once again, right? So ये जो village है, ठीक है, जिसके थ्रू हम लोग जा रहे हैं, it's giving me that vibe, my childhood vibes, which is pretty awesome. Because one thing I believe, that no matter how big you are or how small you are right now, you should never ever forget your root. This is where you came from. छोटा सा विलेज से ही आपका सब कुछ स्टार्ट हुआ था. And you should always, always, always respect the fact that this is a part of you. This defines you, that who you are and where you came from. क्योंकि बेंगलोर तो मेरा जगह नहीं है, राइट? वहाँ पर बस मुझे काम करना पड़ता है अपने रोटी रोज़ी के लिए और अपना शौक़ पूरा करने के लिए. That's why I love coming to villages, you know. You get that fresh air, you get that connection, you get that vibes. All in all, ये सब कहाँ मिलेगा बेंगलोर पे. Bro, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm damn ready, bro.
ये पूरा ग्रेवल के ऊपर से हम लोगों को जाना है. चलो साथ में चलते हैं. अरे 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 अरे, ओ माँ, बे नीरिल्ला चलेगा. पिक्चर, फोटो फोटो, थैंक यू. तो आंटी ने बताया कि पानी नहीं है वाटरफॉल में। चलो चलो चलो। क्या क्या करना पड़ता है एक शॉट के लिए। ऑलराइट, सो अभी मेरे पास GoPro का बैटरी ख़त्म हो गया है, so I won't be able to speak, but I wanted to give you guys the 360 view of this entire place. There is absolutely nobody. Alright, so you can see there is no water because summer is coming, yo. Otherwise during monsoon time this place will be filled with water, but right now you can enjoy the off-road. So this is the condition of the waterfall. Obviously it's a dry season, so there is no water. And हाँ, last time when I came it was like full of water. इसका का ग्रिप मस्त है। बहुत ही मज़ा आ गया भाई, बहुत ही बढ़िया। देख रहे हो लैंडस्केप, जस्ट लुक एट इट। इफ़ यू गाइस हैव वॉच्ड अ मूवी कॉल्ड रैंगो, देन दिस पार्ट इज एक्चुअली looking like a movie scene from Rango. What an adventure, bro, what an adventure. If you are coming in monsoon, obviously you get to see the waterfall, there is no doubt about it, but right now you can see the color contrast, right? You have green, you have gray, you have this brownish color, and look at that frame as well, picture perfect. There are so many colors, so much happening all around you. I mean, yeah, it's pretty dry, there is absolutely nothing, it's like deserted completely, but dry season का मतलब यही होता है, पत्ता पत्ता सब सूख चुका है। But yeah, so whatever it is guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and consider subscribing so that you will be notified whenever I post video like this. And as always, I will see you whenever I'll see you. You take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Oh my god, भाई ऑफ रोड का ना अलग ही मजा है। बिकॉज आई प्रेफर जब ऑफ रोड हो तो ऐसे ही ऑफ रोड हो, वो मड वाला ऑफ रोड आई डोंट लाइक, कीचड़ वाला आई डोंट लाइक, आई लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑफ रोड। तो ऐसा लूज सैंड रहेगा, ग्रेवल रहेगा एंड तुम ऐसे चलाते रहोगे बाइक, वो जंप। आई एम प्रीटी श्योर GoPro में दिखा नहीं होगा। चलो बाय।